Maya was wondering how her computer knew what to do every time she turned it on. She learned in class that there's a special program called the BIOS that helps the computer check its hardware and load the operating system. Her teacher explained that the BIOS is stored in flash memory, which is a special type of storage used in computers. Maya was curious why flash memory is used instead of regular RAM or ROM. The teacher explained that flash memory combines the best features of both. It keeps data even when the power is off, like ROM, and it can be updated when needed, unlike traditional ROM. This makes flash memory perfect for storing the BIOS, which sometimes needs updates for better compatibility or security. Now, let's explore a question in more detail to understand why this is the case. How does the combination of RAM and ROM features in flash memory make it suitable for storing the system's BIOS? The options are: by offering the speed of RAM, by providing the capacity of ROM, by allowing updates and retaining data without power, by being volatile and stable. Now let's talk about each option in detail. By offering the speed of RAM. RAM is very fast, enabling quick read and write operations, but it is volatile. This means it loses all stored data when the computer is turned off. While speed is essential, the BIOS must retain its data even without power, so RAM alone is not sufficient for this purpose. By providing the capacity of ROM. ROM is non-volatile, meaning it retains its data even when the system is powered off, making it useful for storing critical system information like BIOS. However, traditional ROM cannot be updated or rewritten easily. Since modern systems often require BIOS updates for compatibility and security, ROM alone is not suitable. By allowing updates and retaining data without power. Flash memory combines the best of both worlds. Like ROM, it is non-volatile, ensuring the BIOS data is retained even when the system is powered off. Unlike traditional ROM, flash memory can be easily updated or rewritten, which is crucial for applying BIOS updates. This makes flash memory the perfect medium for storing BIOS. By being volatile and stable. Volatile means the memory loses data when power is off, while stable implies data retention. Flash memory is stable but not volatile, so this description does not fit. So, the correct answer is by allowing updates and retaining data without power. Flash memory is ideal for storing the system's BIOS because it retains data without power, ensuring the BIOS is always available during system startup. Additionally, it can be updated when needed, providing flexibility for hardware changes and software improvements. This combination of non-volatility and updatability makes flash memory indispensable for storing essential system firmware like BIOS. Friends, you can learn more about this topic in your MSc IT book in detail.